Hi, so in this video we are going to talk about the Simpson integral. So let's get started. I'm going to include the IO stream and we are going to use the namespace standard. I'm going to have a double integral from a to double b. It could be integers, but anyways we will have a number of steps, and I'm going to have a double f. It's going to represent the function we want to integrate. I'm going to have a main, of course. We are going to test our function. I'm going to create a quadratic function x times x. As usual, I'm going to see out the integral from 0 to 1, 1000 steps, for example, end line, and I'm going to implement the integral from a to b, step size n. Okay, so first of all I'm going to calculate the step size, which is equal to b minus a divided by n, and we have three terms: the 1 divided by 3 term, the 4 divided by 3 terms, and the 2 divided by 3 term. So I'm going to define a sum which is equal to 1.0 divided by 3.0 times the FA plus FB. Then I'm going to have a for loop. For I is equal to from 1, I is less than n, I plus plus. We are going to I plus 2 and n minus 1. I plus equal to 2. The double x is equal to a plus h times I, and the sum plus equals to 4 times o divided by 3 times o times the f with the argument at the x, and we will have a 2/3 term. I'm just going to iterate through again. For int I is equal to 2, I is less than n minus 1, and I plus equals to 2 every second item. The double x is equal to a plus h times I, and of course the sum plus equals to 2.0 divided by 3.0 times fx, and in the end I'm just going to return the sum times the step size. Okay, so let me run, and of course we should get a third. Okay, and if we integrate it, for example, from let me test it with another method. We have 10, and if we integrate it we should get 10, approximately 10. Maybe if it's not so it's approximately 10, we can increase the step size. So how would we divide our a to b interval? It's a bit better, maybe. And if I would like to integrate, for example, 10 times x, then yeah, it would be 5, because the x the integrating, if we integrate x from 0 to 1, it's going to get 0.5. 0.5 times 10 is approximately 5. So it's working fine. In the next video, we are going to talk about Monte Carlo implementation. Thanks.